Hey guys, and this is your first real-life hands-on look and unboxing video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra coming in from Sahil Carroll. So this one is in the white color finish, and it looks really good. Last time we saw the S26 Ultra in black. There will also be purple, blue, pink, gold, and silver shadow variants. So first thing first, we have a new box design with the phone name written on top left of Galaxy S26 Ultra in this case, and the phone's camera schematic on top of the box. This is the black color finish of the S26 Ultra, and again, a similar design like the S25 Ultra, but with a Z Fold and S25 Edge-like pale-shaped camera module. The corners are now slightly more roundish than the S25 Ultra, but still is boxy, still is flat, so looks premium. Now the S26 Ultra does feature Samsung's privacy display, and we have two options in here. The first is privacy display, which makes the screen less visible when viewed from a side angle. The second is maximum privacy protection, which completely turns the screen black when viewed from a side angle. This means if someone looks at your screen from a side, it will appear completely black to them. Before the person holding the phone, the display remains completely visible and clear. Sad part is, S26 Ultra S Pen doesn't have Bluetooth, so no air actions, and S Pen cannot be used as a clicker for the camera. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is coming on February 25, 2026 at Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco. Here's the pricing and final specifications of the Galaxy S26 series. And thing to note, the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus get Exynos 2600, and S26 Ultra is coming with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy for all markets. The standard S26 features a 6.3-inch 1080p low-resolution display, 120 Hz refresh rate, powered with Exynos chip, One UI 8.5, triple cameras, and 4300 mAh battery with 25 watt of slow charging. So skip this one and better get a Xiaomi. The S26 Plus gets a 6.7-inch 1440p high-resolution display, 120 Hz refresh rate, this Exynos chip, and 4900 mAh battery with 45 watt of decently fast charging. So mediocre specs for a $1,000 flagship. Now, for those who want the best of all, we have the Samsung S26 Ultra coming with a 6.9-inch high-resolution display with Qualcomm 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. This quad-camera setup, 200-megapixel main and a periscope lens, this S Pen inside, and a 5000 mAh battery with 60 watt of fast charging. So decent specs, I would say. And this with One UI 8.5 and Galaxy Air icing on top makes it overall an amazing device. Some promo images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra coming in from X. I cannot show it to you because of Samsung, but the thing to note is the battery is still 5000 mAh, and the shocking part is they still claim 31 hours of video playback battery life, which is same as the last gen flagship, so no less improvement in terms of the battery. Samsung claims it is the brightest camera in the Galaxy lineup ever, and it can capture better and brighter low-light photos and videos. Galaxy AI will now be able to restore missing parts of objects in images, like a bite taken out of a cake, generate stickers out of photos, and seamlessly merge multiple photos into one cohesive image. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll meet you guys in the next one.